Finding a property portal is a big cost investment and a painstaking experience. To find a property that is suitable for me, I have to span across multiple property portals. These property portals have inconsistent user interface, which further adds to my misery. The result is that I feel frustrated and ultimately have to resort to offline search for the property or rental I am looking for. As the online real estate space expands, this problem is only going to increase.
We worked out a solution to the problems Gautam just listed in form of an aggregator, which basically aggregates its listings from multiple small and large property portals. So we do have competitors globally, but what they do is they redirect to the parent website where the listing is originally present. So this doesn't eliminate the problem of inconsistent user experience. But on our portal, we'll show the end-to-end listings, the entire information about the listings on our website itself, and we'll work on a lead generation basis. So since we are an aggregator, we'll have a very large database. So the user will have to scan through thousands of search results to find the ideal property. So we are developing a personalized search algorithm to facilitate effective searching for the users. So this will be keeping in mind the users' preferences. So this will basically narrow down, it will basically make your search results more relevant so as to facilitate a very quick and efficient search for the users.
The above solution to the problem can be monetized using a revenue model that works on a per lead basis and also is termed as a lead generation revenue model. In this, the person interested in the property generates a lead corresponding to that property. This lead is then passed on to the property portal from where the data is aggregated from, and we alternatively act as an affiliate partner to the property portal. Alternatively, once we gain a sufficient amount of traction, we can also switch up to an impression-based revenue model that works on an ad-based revenue model. So let's see the market opportunity. In 2011, the real estate classified websites of a multi-billion real estate industry comprised of a tiny fraction of 0.5%. But however, in 2013, this fraction grew up to 3%, that is 6 times. Analysts believe that an expected growth of 100 or 150% in the online real estate classified industry is expected per year. So we believe that this is a sufficient market opportunity to be ventured into and invested into.